All right, folks, grab your umbrella, sunscreen, jacket, whatever you need, because today we're diving into weather words. First word we've got is sunny.
Sunny means the sun is shining brightly. The sky is usually clear, and there are no clouds blocking the sunday. It feels warm and bright outside.
Here's a sentence. It's a sunny day, so I'm going for a walk in the park. Next word is cloudy.
Cloudy means the sky is covered with clouds. You can't see much sunlight, and everything looks a bit gray.
Example sentence. It looks cloudy today, so we might get rain later. Our next weather word is rainy.
Rainy means it's raining water is falling from the sky. It can be light rain or heavy rain, but either way, things are getting wet.
Here's a sentence. It's rainy outside, so I'm taking my umbrella. Next one. Stormy.
Stormy means the weather is violent. You might see thunder, lightning, strong winds, and heavy rain. It's usually loud and dangerous.
Example sentence. The weather is stormy tonight, so I'm staying home. The next vocabulary word is windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind. The air moves fast, and you can feel it pushing against you.
Here's a sentence. It's so windy today that my hat almost flew away. Next up is breeze.
A breeze is a gentle wind. It's soft, cool, and pleasant.
Example sentence. I love sitting by the beach and feeling the cool breeze. Our next word, drizzle.
Drizzle means very light rain. It's not heavy enough to soak you quickly, but it still gets the ground wet.
Example sentence. It's just a drizzle, so you might not need an umbrella. Next word, downpour.
A downpour means very heavy rain. It usually comes suddenly, and everything gets soaked fast.
Example sentence. The downpour was so strong that we had to run for shelter. The next word is humid.
Humid means there is a lot of moisture in the air. It feels sticky, hot, and uncomfortable.
Example sentence. The weather is so humid that my hair won't stay in place. Next vocabulary word, foggy.
Foggy means the air is filled with tiny droplets that look like clouds at ground level. It becomes hard to see far ahead.
Example sentence. It was foggy this morning, so driving was slow. Our next word is misty.
Misty is similar to foggy but lighter. There's a thin layer of moisture in the air that makes distant objects look blurry.
Example sentence. The forest looked beautiful and misty at sunrise. Our next vocabulary word is hazy.
Hazy means the air is not clear. It looks smoky or dusty, and visibility is reduced.
Example sentence. The weather was hazy due to pollution. Next one. Snowy.
Snowy means snow is falling. Snowflakes are pieces of frozen water that fall in cold weather.
Example sentence. It's snowy outside, so the kids are building a snowman. The next weather word is blizzard.
A blizzard is a very strong snowstorm with powerful winds and heavy snowfall. It reduces visibility and is dangerous.
Example sentence. The blizzard was so severe that all flights were canceled. Our next word is icy.
Icy means covered in ice. The ground becomes slippery and cold.
Example sentence. The roads are icy today, so walk carefully. Next vocabulary word, hail.
Hail is when small balls of ice fall from the sky instead of regular rain. It can be tiny pellets or larger pieces.
Example sentence. It started to hail suddenly, so we ran indoors. Next word, sleet.
Sleet is a mix of rain and snow. It looks wet and cold and falls in winter.
Example sentence. The weather forecast says we might get sleet tonight. Next one, frost.
Frost is a thin layer of ice crystals that forms on surfaces when it is very cold.
Example sentence. I saw frost on the grass this morning. The next word is chilly.
Chilly means a little cold but not freezing. It's cool enough to need a light jacket.
Example sentence. It's chilly outside, so I grabbed my sweater. Next vocabulary word, freezing.
Freezing means extremely cold, so cold that water turns into ice.
Example sentence. It's freezing outside, so make sure to wear gloves. Our next word is heatwave.
A heat wave is a long period of very hot weather. It's hotter than normal and can be uncomfortable or even dangerous.
Example sentence. The heat wave lasted for a week, and everyone stayed indoors. Next word, scorching.
Scorching means extremely hot. It feels like the sun is burning everything.
Example sentence. It's scorching today, so drink plenty of water. Next vocabulary word, mild.
Mild means gentle or moderate weather. not too hot and not too cold.
Example sentence. The weather is mild today, perfect for a picnic. Next word. Overcast.
Overcast means the sky is completely covered with thick clouds, making the day look dark.
Example sentence. The sky is overcast, so it might rain soon. The next weather word is lightning.
Lightning is a flash of light in the sky during a storm. It's caused by electricity in the atmosphere.
Example sentence. We saw lightning across the sky before the rain started. Next vocabulary word. Thunder.
Thunder is the loud sound that follows lightning. You usually hear it after the flash of light.
Example sentence. The thunder was so loud that it woke me up. Next one. Thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm is a weather event that includes thunder, lightning, strong winds, and heavy rain.
Example sentence. A thunderstorm hit the city last night. The next word is gust.
A gust is a sudden, strong burst of wind. It can happen during a storm or even on a normal windy day.
Example sentence. A strong gust of wind almost closed the door. Next word. Drought.
A drought is a long period with little or no rain. The land becomes dry, and crops can suffer.
Example sentence. The drought lasted for months, and farmers were worried. The next vocabulary word is monsoon.
Monsoon is a seasonal period of heavy rains, usually in tropical regions.
Example sentence. The monsoon season brings heavy rain every year. Next word. Rainbow.
A rainbow is a beautiful arc of colors that appears in the sky when sunlight shines through rain droplets.
Example sentence. After the rain stopped, a bright rainbow appeared. Next word. Tornado.
A tornado is a violent, rotating column of air that touches the ground. It can cause severe destruction.
Example sentence. The tornado warning made everyone take shelter. The next word is hurricane.
A hurricane is a huge storm with strong winds, heavy rain, and swirling clouds over the ocean.
Example sentence. The hurricane caused flooding in the coastal areas. Next vocabulary word. Temperature.
Temperature means how hot or cold the air is. It is usually measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit.
Example sentence. The temperature dropped suddenly last night. The next word is forecast.
A forecast is a prediction of the weather for the next few hours or days.
Example sentence. The weather forecast says it might rain tomorrow. The next weather word is climate.
Climate means the usual weather pattern of a place over a long period.
Example sentence. The climate in my city is warm and humid. Next one. UV index.
The UV index measures how strong the sun's ultraviolet rays are. Higher numbers mean greater risk of sunburn.
Example sentence. The UV index is high, so wear sunscreen. And next word. Visibility.
Visibility means how far you can clearly see. Fog, rain, mist, or pollution can reduce visibility.
Example sentence. Visibility was low this morning because of fog.